towers reduced to rubble. I'm on top of this. Recall, fanatics used to circumambulate. Nowadays they held back by the hammer's weight. Trust laws, busting them north for that panther bait. Snap through, review the draft as I annotate. Situated in the company of madmen. Jockey for the ball, running under me is Madison. Dictated by the punditry of Dadson. Lock me in the cold, money comfy with the captain. Carbonated philosophical interpretation. Inflated pathological evaluation. See me on a third box, signaling the mother store. Subpar, yada who my lovers are. Spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love to the edge of the earth and let it spread till it bursts. The words fed by the sequel. Spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love to the edge of the earth. Yo, we gon' make this work. Concede to the inconceivable. Check it, stop, look, listen, instrumentation, drop, hook, fishing, caught 1 clock, took, infinitely been waiting, rock, shook, splitting, lost some, greed, move, spinning into rotation, leave, who's slipping, gotta run, seize, loop, petition my probation, please, prove, repetition done, extrasensory perceiving greed inside the cavalcade, colonel take a turn and pull the steed inside the magistrate, shot well, yelling Godspeed, slide parallel and take the lead, pride make him ride the carousel, well, is it with he who owes authority, forming a fraternity to fornicate sorority, lamb the lambs, they give up penance for prestige, the West needs women who instead of need spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love to the edge of the earth and let it spread till it bursts, the words fed by the sequel, spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love to the edge of the earth, yo, we gon' make this work, concede to the inconceivable.
Look at that, fucking hammering through the, under the bridge. This is normally at best 3 feet deep. Not even. This is the Mascoma River. After Hurricane Irene has come through. You see that tree down there? Fucking buried. This bridge was never intended to have this much water underneath it.